Phew. Okay, guys, we are back with MTP signals. This is free, showing you how the system is trading. It's kind of funny to me how few views these videos get compared to Instagram of just like talking about trading. It's like you guys aren't really interested in actually placing trades or interacting with the charts, or this just isn't breaking through the algorithm. For whatever reason, you comment down below what you think. So, before we get into the charts, I just want to show you seasonality in trading. Um, and what is really interesting is that if you, this is statistically significant, if you were to go and you were to look at different months, you would find that September is the weakest month, June tends to underperform, and you have November, December, January, April, like certain months outperform. The summer tends to be very slow, and most of the gains are made from October to April, and most of the losses or sideways happens from May through September. This is statistically significant if we were to go into the data and look at month by month going back over 100 years. And there's a reason for it. People come in to allocate their funds in January, and also people tend to trade lighter in the summer because they've got off work and they want to travel with their kids and stuff like that. So the sort of price action that we're seeing, right? Like April was crazy volatile, right? But if we look at the current price action, it's moving up. It has been moving up in the stock market, but very slowly, right? Very slowly. The volatility's come out of the market. So we tend to get more volatile up moves in September, October, November, whatever. That said, we're just under all-time highs, and there is a buy signals on. So me personally, I've got positions on everything. I've got the Nasdaq, which is in profit. I've got two contracts on the S&P 500, which are in profit. Unfortunately, I didn't take the first buy on the Nasdaq. I could say unfortunately, but I just wasn't ready. I didn't have the money in my account. I have, excuse, one position on gold. I didn't trade these. Depending on how the settings, I've just got a basic setting set up that's generalized, not optimized. But I took this buy and my stop loss is up here. Um, I have Bitcoin. I've got a number of positions on Bitcoin from here, here, and here. Okay, so Bitcoin we have, and then also silver. So just something that I want to note here for you guys is it's really valuable to trade all three asset classes, which are stock market indices, precious metals, and Bitcoin. I don't say crypto, I say Bitcoin, because they can be uncorrelated. I mean, you look at this big green day on silver that it just had, where we had this red day on the indices and Bitcoin. So I'm liking that I'm in silver because it's giving uncorrelated upside right now. And I know some of you guys are afraid, like, oh, the price is too high. That's precisely why you should buy. Like these historical rallies happen at extreme prices. And right now we're at a 13-year high on silver. So buying that breakout is like the best chance actually. And it could chop around, but it has been working. So if you take anything from this video, it's not just the system itself, but the asset selection of the system is three different asset classes that aren't totally correlated. They have some correlation, but they have some uncorrelation. So again, you follow the link in the description and you can join. And you could trade the system for yourself. It's really simple. It takes like 5 minutes a day, and sorry, 5 minutes a week. One of the reasons it doesn't take any time is because I'm not looking at a whole galaxy of stocks or altcoins. I'm only looking at the top few assets like the majors. So anyways, appreciate y'all. Much love and see you on the other side.